Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm finally back and I had some time because I'm usually available around Valentine's Day. What's up guys, welcome back to CDIC. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate covered strawberries for your special night. Not only are we going to use chocolates, we're also going to use white chocolate and caramel. It's a super simple recipe that's only about 3 steps. So fellas, if you want her to see Dick tonight, you better pay attention. After you pick up all your strawberries off the floor, make sure you wash them thoroughly. Next it's time to separate these by the way they look. Just like society intended. Look at these discolored ones. They're yucky. But then look at these beautiful, vibrant red berries. These go in the pretty pile. Deformity. Don't be fooled though. Sometimes they look really good on the surface, but when you pull the curtains back, you see their true colors. It's like meeting a really hot girl, but it turns out she has a penis. Basically, what I'm trying to get at here is to have a hot date pile and an ugly date pile. But sneak one in there just to keep them humble. Okay, for our chocolates, we're gonna have a couple different kinds. A white chocolate, some caramel for some drizzy drizzle. I opened these earlier and ate a few. Lastly, cacao. Dark chocolate? I like to use the 72% because it's the perfect amount of bitterness and it was my grade point average in college. Unpackage the chocolate and break it into small pieces in a bowl so we can melt this. Also have a piece for yourself. One more thing, always make sure your parents check your candy before opening. You never know what you're gonna find.
It's a sick world we're living in, sick people!
The next step is to melt the chocolate over some boiling water. This is to make sure that you don't burn it. The method is French and it's called Buongiorno Arrivederci. If you don't want to wait for the water to boil, you can try some other methods like using a crock pot, microwave, or body heat. Also, before melting your chocolate, you want to add an aphrodisiac to set the mood right. So I'm going to give it a quick spray of Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio for men. Oh, yeah. Mix it until it's... Now that our chocolates are melted, we can start dipping. I go with a 75% dip. It's more of a personal preference. If you want a full dip, that's up to you. Let's try one of the white chocolate dips. Ah, damn it. I clearly picked the wrong white chocolate. It's all clumpy and weird. Ah well, for once it didn't work out for the whites. Keep dipping away until you're happy. Look at how glistening and pretty. Next we need to throw this in the fridge for about an hour or until the chocolate hardens. Right next to a 45-day dry aged hunk of meat. It's been an hour and the chocolates have hardened. You can eat these now or you can get cute and drizzle over some caramel. I'm adorable, so I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle. You just take a spoon and wave it around all swirly.
It's going so horribly.
Okay, this is pretty bad. Maybe the white chocolate swirls better.
Nope.
After giving up on making sexy swirls, I'm going to class it up and try to save this by making a bouquet out of parchment paper. Grab a few sticks and rub them together violently until they get sharp. Then shove it up the backside of the strawberry and wrap it in parchment paper. Boom! Your own edible arrangement. Except this one has character, and you did it all for $8. She'll say it's cute and give you one of those, "Aw, babes." But on the inside, she'll know you're still a cheap ass. Now for the big moment, my date night. I do this around this time every weekend, sometimes on Tuesdays, just to show I really love her. She's usually busy, but one day, she'll pick up. One day. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at this. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does It Cooking. Guys, these chocolates are delicious and they're going to be in really high demand. So we're churning them out as fast as we can, aren't we, Tammy? Come on, Tammy.
I'm running out of chocolate.
Faster.
I need more chocolate, Cosmo.
Oh my God. Come on, Cosmo. Give me some chocolate. I'm heating up. Yes.
Let's go. Don't wait. This night's almost over. Honest.
Oh my God.
How's that?
Delicious.
Did you try it with a butt chocolate?
You know what? Can we
Let's make this night last forever.